Throwing that ass. Babuka. Get that bitch. Get that bitch white. Okay, damn. Get that bitch white. Ranch. I'll get it. Hey, that shit's so wrong. Ranch. Let y'all hit this real fast. Tell the motherfucker put garage up. Tell that motherfucker put garage up. Tell that motherfucker put garage up. Tell that motherfucker put garage up. Sports car. Hey. Welcome back, YouTube. My bad for not introducing. I'm making a fellow introducing, but you know, man, y'all already know the fuck time it is, man. Big ZL1 boat back in the motherfucking building, man. I don't even know what we got for y'all today. Right now we in H. Shit, I thought about I ain't vlog none of this weekend. I know I'm a part-time streamer, part-time as fuck. But look though, we finna go to the city. We got a Sunday Funday. You heard me? I've been letting all the guys post their Sunday Funday, so I think it's gonna be my first time post Sunday Funday. I'm gonna fuck with it. I was gonna go to Dallas, but I ain't gonna lie, Houston, it's been a long ass weekend, man. That's all I can say, but it's been a long ass weekend, so I ain't gonna make it to Dallas. But we gonna go back to the city and shit. We gonna have a Sunday. We gonna have a spooky Sunday Funday looking at. We gonna fuck with that bitch for the one time shit, right? We at the Galleria right now trying to find a parking spot. But shit, y'all already know, man. You new to the channel, you like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe, and if you know what I'm saying, a fellow subscriber, you been fucking with us, man. Just like this bitch up, man. We still going up. Fat.
One eternity later.
Record. You record.
Good. You putting that lint on your shit? Hey, Mr. 10 speed 7.62s in the cut. You ready?
Got him. We fucking got him.
Hear me in the cut.
What the nigga got so gangster? nigga say Mr.
Hey, right? Mr. 10 speed 7.62.
Man, I was shit with y'all doing all this shit.
Oh, that was different.
That bitch was doing all this shit.
Do your dance, bitch. Do your dance.
I said,
Do your dance, bitch.
That boy got a natural BBL.
That boy throwing that shit. Okay then.
I did a rap today. He probably gonna stop. Hey, what y'all say? What y'all say?
Hey, y'all gonna do weight. Then I wrapped him weight.
Whoa, pause.
Hit that boy weight.
With so much of it.
Babuka.
That boy almost spanked Kai ass. I think it's on another video.
But you said, you mean I almost spanked gas?
Hold on, I gotta get the video. Why you talking about
He doing it wrong. Correct that shit, bitch.
Why they running?
He gonna crash out.
That boy Kai almost tore his ass up.
Man, I done
Look, he almost tore that boy ass up.
that big
He got out the gas.
Let me see.
He got out the gas on my mama.
But what's one thing?
I was finna tap his ass.
Maybe hit a sound, bro. Hit a sound.
I ain't gonna fake. That bitch.
We out here.
I don't know if he eased on. I don't know if he eased on that bitch, but on the side.
Look. On some shit though. I'm trying to get like you. What I need to do?
And you see cut time off.
Just get beat a few times. You know what I'm saying? Have that shit on your shoulder.
Yeah, you know
Type shit.
Solid tape.
Oh no, I ain't really seen you get beat too many times though. Like
one too many times.
Oh, I'm trying to get some bread.
You want me to rap this shit? No, I'm saying what don't need though.
This shit ain't coming out my pocket, it's coming out my heart.
Type shit.
It was people pulling up, but it ain't just back.
They had to be blocked off. Police was at the front exit.
That's what I need right now. The content creator himself, yes.
Bitch, I'm doing my dance.
That boy came home with them bitches.
Ratchet.
Hold on, Ratchet. Hold on.
Ratchet.
Ratchet. Oh, I ain't know that they were going that way. That was bang. Bitch.
Evidently, I've been shopping with King.
That boy got dog fucked up.
Ratchet.
I don't think he know.
Hey, that's all I'm saying. I'm saying Ratchet.
Nigga,
Nigga is getting ratchet.
Bro, so he finna switch cars.
Mustang?
Nah, Dre ass. He's supposed to be in that motherfucker.
Hey, bud.
But that dick gonna drive you crazy.
Y'all up in that pussy, you know what
I'm telling you, that dick gonna drive you crazy.
That dick gonna drive her wild. Wow. That dick gonna, what? Insane.
Insane?
Yo, that dick.
What that dick gonna do?
Go roof.
You say that like who?
His ass like glow.
Bitch, you must not know what you done started.
What?
Let me go gnarly. Get the fuck up out your party. Yeah.
Take that ass on camera.
Yeah,
Hey, look, we need to go down there.
But why you clean and fuck, boy?
They told you.
Why you look like you got too much money?
I told nigga. You already know what day it is, and that nigga got on clothes. That nigga don't never have on fucking clothes.
For real, you know it's serious. They gonna low. They gonna low. What we running for? This shit legal.
Man, your shit stolen?
Yeah, that been stolen. Yeah, your shit hot, twin.
Getting a striker easy. All you need is a pro pad.
Got him. We fucking got him.
Look at that. Damn.
Get up on my shit. You good, twin? You good? Hey, my paint job bad anyway. Go ahead, fuck it.
Nigga put the nigga go right on.
Y'all let with that trolling about mug shots.
I think that might be that same bitch ass nigga right there.
Fuck that boy, that nigga dead.
I don't remember him.
Let's go down there.
That's the one came to my house. I don't fuck with that boy. Ah, fuck his shit up right now.
661.
No, nobody fuck with you.
What do you say?
Bitch ass
I
nigga.
be ready to stress y'all nigga.
That nigga always coming, they always acting like a hoe.
To get in the bike, cause I ain't in the front of the bike.
You ain't in the front of the bike.
I'm hot.
Shit, bitch, you.
I'm insane.
I'll be the
hot.
second.
I ain't getting in no front.
I know I am.
That nigga hot like a hot
Shit, I
tamale.
would impound my shit. I mean, got a bad net.
Oh, a hoe.
So shit,
That guy.
pull over shit.
What do she have? They're right.
What do she have?
Go down there.
Whoa!
That hoe on fire.
That hoe on fire. You ain't understanding, bitch. You ain't catch on, bitch. You came too late, bitch.
Come on, mama here. Like,
Chill out, dick. Dick, chill out.
Dick.
Open your mouth. Close your mouth, bitch.
Something going there.
Close your mouth, bitch. Close your mouth, dick. For a dick. Close your mouth, dick, for a dick.
Nigga gonna make a hot dog go that boy shit on the video.
Hot dog, hot dibbity dog.
Nigga finna edit the fuck out that.
I'ma pause the clip and put a hot dog right on the lip.
Need that.
Need that clip, boy.
Don't go yet. Don't go yet. He finna come back. He finna go soon.
Man, but we
to go there and then just leave from there.
Bitch, when you ever went in that mode?
just all go to that bitch.
When you ever been in that mode?
I bet we can pull up. Hey, just go to consume. Everybody go to consume. I just like goddamn capping on your shit.
Man, kidding.
That bitch.
That cut niggas want to take pictures on my shit. Hey, this bitch ain't. Hey, don't take no more pictures on this bitch. You ain't gonna. I'm a stoner, I'm a stoner, I'm a stone. I'm a stoner, I'm a stoner, I'm a stone. That bitch, they're a comedian. Bitch, bitch, I'm big dude. Bitch, man, nigga don't be want to do it dance, man. I don't know. Cool.
Hey, bro.
He pulled in. All the while going over there.
When he had pulled in and it was like 5. I started getting back no vibes. Bad back, Bunko. Bad back. I've been itching to scratch the bit, honey. Bad back.
Okay then, big dog. So you said you gonna stretch a young nigga? Good thing I'm old as fuck. I'm on.
Itching to shoot that bit, Which one?
I get nervous.
Back though. I get nervous.
It might be the big one. Niggas had threw you in that bitch again.
You throwing me in crosses, son?
Nah, for real.
You threw me in a cross, son?
They threw your ass in there. What the fuck? I'm confused.
Stop throwing me in them crosses, boy. Keep me out your crosses. Keep me out your crosses, boy.
Nah, they wasn't like I just point the camera. You supposed to keep it rolling.
Punch the camera.
Man, you supposed to drop the camera.
Man, you punch this bitch. I'm punching you.
I see people in that bitch. I would have crawled in that motherfucker.
Ba boom, ba boom, ba boom,
I
ba
would
boom.
have went on 2 knees.
Hey, let me see your legs.
God, let me look at this bitch from the side, nigga. Hey, bro.
No!
Hey, boy.
Keep that shit rolling. I keep all cams rolling. All sales final.
Ain't no nigga getting no cut. Ain't no nigga getting no deal. Ain't no 20%
All
off,
sales.
no 30.
All sales. All sales are final. That boy say. Hold on, hold the camera. That boy say, y'all ain't hold the door. Boy say, y'all ain't hold the door. Shit. What he got? Shit, I know that right. Shit. That's a Motown classic right there.
For real. Wait, say that boy,
That nip. Yeah. That nigga said that uncle. Yeah. That bitch say nip was out with a nip. What say? Nip.
I got like 2 for you. $1. Man, hold on.
Shit, you say shit.
That motherfucker back seat.
I ain't worried about that, man. I got Nelf with me.
I ain't got nothing but $1 for
Damn. I get nervous. I backed out. Whoa. Alright, chill out. Damn.
Hey, bud.
Damn. God, shit. All sales fighters, no cuts. They grabbing on my shirt. Damn, he cranking that bitch. Crank it up. It's over, bitch. It's a Sunday. Bad look. Y'all already know how we give it up. This is how we give it up in that Ratchet. You know, we in the heart of that mo. Right on that bet. We in the heart of that mo. No. I'm on that boy say. That boy say, what's happening with it, Nif?
Fuck out you.
I say, what's happening with it, Nif?
I ain't even finna scratch your ass, young nigga. Thought he finna scratch KJ when he got up on him. Right now.
That boy just cut that lawnmower on KJ back.
Why he almost hit KJ?
That boy hit his ass with that.
I just gave him 3, so you owe me 5. You owe me 5.
I gave him $1.
Need that.
I just gave him $1. Need that. Oh shit, we ain't got it. We broke.
I ain't got 1,000, goddamn shit.
That nigga was
I'm a broke ass nigga.
He paid me $5, but Kurt was having a point.
Damn, he having a girl. That's crazy.
You want my wallet too?
Damn, I wonder what I'ma have.
No problem.
What I'ma have, boy or girl?
Boy.
Every time I say boy, it be a girl. So I'm like,
See, you got a zero.
I sure can't do that.
They grabbing on my shirt. 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 They grabbing on my shirt.
Take a shot.
Pop one, that bitch up many times.
Do that Kokomo.
Yo, do that Kokomo, Joe. Do that Kokomo.
Do that lawnmower. Ran that bitch in.
we need to
Ooh,
go.
throw you one out there. Throw you one out there.
Oh, that's a bow. A bow.
You caught his head. Slow it down.
Ooh, he slowing that bitch down, though. He slowing that bitch down, though.
What the fuck you talking about? That nigga lived in the bitch. I fuck with him. We need him in Queensboro right now.
Just for dancing good, we gon' bless you. Keep dancing. That nigga keep dancing. Tell that nigga keep dancing, bitch.
Are you good? Good, go.
They trying to shut shit down.
Yeah, but baby.
Oh damn, they moving already? Nah, I'm staying here. Stand still. Damn. Block. That bitch cranked up on a Sunday. Hold on, let me see. Ooh, this bitch live. Bitch clean. They trying to shut that bitch down. It's over. We my mama now. We too quiet on this bitch. Well, you guys, I don't even know if I want to end this bit or not. Fuck that. We ain't ending this. We going all night strong. I don't go to work till tomorrow night. We are at Trendsetters.
Well, fuck you.
That boy is in the Z thing. Hold on. Camera off him real fast. We got some other shit to look at. Wait a fucking minute. Did you?
I was trying to get right here.
Man, nigga down there. Man, I heard my shit say cloo cloo. Man, what's going on, man?
Wait. Look, it was something loose right here. I had to put
Man, get the man. Hell nah, nigga. That is a brand new car.
It was something loose right here.
Man, get the fuck out the streets, man. That's a brand new fucking whip.
Don't do that.
Nigga go sit that ass on my shit. That bitch got the clanking.
Don't do that, bro.
This bitch live. What he got going? What he say, light skin?
Fat fuck, man. You tripping, fat fuck?
You tripping,
man, fat fuck? You tripping? Sit your big booty ass down, fat fuck.
Fat fuck, sit your big booty ass down somewhere, man. How the fuck you gonna turn me down on your big brother?
Your big brother, nigga.
Man, ain't gonna sit your big booty ass down with big biggest. Big biggest. Damn, man. Look at him.
What's my gear for you?
Shit, trolling.
Yep.
Fuck, I hate. Yeah, I'm gonna edit.
You know what?
I hate to edit, but I'm gonna edit.
I don't stay too far. I just fucking I ain't too far. But getting there going to chase, I'm telling no one. I don't need no ride home. I got my key.
Mike and Merz, be no bitches. I be really large. I got hands for a hoe. I can you want cheese? What the fuck is cheese, nigga?
Oh, okay.
Why everybody trolling and they ain't know? Oh, y'all ain't see it? Y'all ain't see the quarterback sneak?
That shit was so. That shit was so diabolical and shit.
Wide open.
Niggas doing that?
Yes, we are. Yes, we.
What we got coming soon? I
don't know,
These the
bro.
man y'all need to be talking to.
We not part-time YouTubers, so if you gonna do this shit, do this shit.
Bro,
if you gonna vlog,
YouTuber, bro.
drop it.
I'ma drop this shit.
Alright, no more part-time shit. Niggas dropping
vids. I ain't gonna fake. I got about at least 3 videos in my phone.
That's what I'm saying. And
I got at least 3, 5
them bitches
videos.
getting dust.
Matter of fact, I'ma just drop them bitches all together.
Fuck it, nigga. Do your introduction.
Hours of my shit.
This your introduction of the. Who is that?
Oh, dog.
I don't even want them, my nigga. Yeah, you can have them.
Keep dropping, man.
Dog.
Man, he recording.
Man, alright. Yeah, on that note, we gonna get back with y'all.
That boy ass. He got that.
My bad, man. Fuck, got that bitch on chopper style.
Back that bitch.
We got everybody cousin out here.
Man, I'm fucking driving me. Not the cousin, I want to fuck you, baby.
We got everybody cousin out here. Damn. That boy got a purple on that bitch. That boy got McDonald's signs in this shit.
Let me see some. Let me see some. I think he's cracking out.
Let me find out. Type shit. Got good footwork. Okay then. Okay then. Damn.